Hello po, kakulit. Kamusta po tayo? That is my grandson. May. Aga po tising dada. Para po, panluto, breakfast namin.
Wow, good job.
Tapos namin taeng ayayusan na po ako na mami.
Wow, good job.
Siyempre lang po, aking makeup. Para po, hindi pretty ako.
Wow, good job.
Pagpeen po ang aming moving pa sa maktuan. Ayan po, pretty na ako. Kakulit. Mami ko din po. Mama ganda. Tala mo ganda. Cute lang po. Love ko mami ko. Kasi po, isarap na po. Kasi po, sipag mami. Ang turo akin. And school, bahay. Tito po mami. And tito po daddy. And tito po kuya. I love you.
I love you too. Mwah. Wow, good job.
Dito na po kami, McDonald's. Sabi ko po, aking tit friend, si Sebi. Meron na ba ako WhatsApp para po kain ako.
Wow, good job.
Ito po, sumula na po yung movie app namin. Unlock po ng mga hotmate ko. And teacher joke. Ito po.
Wow, good job.
The most polite and most behaved child of the year, si Zoe. Wala ba si nanay? Wala si nanay, yung pants mo. Nasa si nanay? Nanay! Ito si Zoe. Congratulations!
Ako po award. Thank you, right? The third top earth.
Mama and Papa, we thank you sincerely for the recognition we bow. 1, 2, 3, bow.
Lang po. Bye-bye po. God bless. Love you all.
Sunshine on my face. I feel pretty great about today. About today. My bride, I'll be waiting, waiting at the altar for you. Altar for you.
1, 2, 3.
Today. I'm getting married to my best friend today. Happily ever